Okay, hey, so from maintaining to creating, all right? Have you ever heard that expression? All right, but that's what's required of you as a broker owner in your real estate brokerage. Okay, so coming up on Thursday, we've got a Millionaire Broker Owner Session webinar, and you're invited to this thing. So let's think this through for a minute. We'll use this example of creating your home sold guaranteed realty. Okay, so when we launched that real estate brokerage, it was a foreign concept to have a real estate company named after a unique selling proposition. As a matter of fact, I don't know of any of them that exist anywhere else in the world right now. All right, but we have it. So that's an example of being creative to disrupt something that's normal and standard out there, right? So to move from maintaining to creating is how you're going to scale up your real estate brokerage and your real estate company. So for example, that company that's a couple of years old now, there's 14 franchisees already in that thing, and we only started doing that a few months ago for me filming this video promo for you. At this real estate brokerage, Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, where I'm located right now, there's already 150 agents at that. So that's explosive growth in a very short period of time. I'm sure you're gonna agree. So how can you do this? Well, you remember when you were a real estate agent and you're working on growing your real estate agent business, trying to go from agent to team leader, you remember that? And you would make these big gains, 50% increase, 100% increase in business over a year. And you're like, oh, this is great. Then you make the decision to become a real estate broker owner or have your own real estate brokerage. And what you discovered is, hey, it's a little bit tougher. Like growing that thing 50% or 100% every single year, much more complicated, isn't it? All right, so on this very special broker owner webinar that we're gonna do on Thursday, we wanna share with you 7 principles, essentially strategies or systems that will allow you to quickly, effectively, and profitably explode the growth of your real estate business. 7 principles to go from maintaining to creating. All you have to do is show up, and you're invited to this very exclusive Millionaire Broker Owner webinar. I hope you'll show up to there. Join me and my very special Millionaire Broker guest as I interview them and we reveal these 7 principles that if you can copy them and implement them into your real estate company, your real estate brokerage, I can assure you, you will experience explosive growth as well. All right, so that's Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 1 p.m. Pacific. You should have the link to the webinar session. If you don't, let us know so we can get it to you because this is all for you so that you can experience the kind of gains and growth that you most want, all right, elevating your life and the lives of those around you, your real estate agents, your community. And after all, that is what a real estate company does, right? We're supposed to do. All right, so let's do it. Join us on Thursday for the Millionaire Broker webinar. All right, 7 principles to go from maintaining to creating the real estate business of your dreams. Explosive growth is right here for you. All right, we'll talk to you on Thursday, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 1 p.m. Pacific. All right, until then, go serve big. See ya.